Welcome to this demonstration on creating an as-maintained structure for the card transfer system. Want to learn how to set up maintenance schedules and manage discrepancies efficiently? This demonstration will show you how to populate all required asset information, set and simulate maintenance due dates, and effectively manage issues from fault logging to corrective action approval. This comprehensive approach guarantees accurate maintenance tracking and rapid issue resolution. As the service engineer, I'll use the global search to find the gantry service assembly. It helps to save time by quickly finding the related objects using the global search in Active Workspace. Once opened, I begin creating the as-maintained structure, providing all the essential details like serial number, manufacturer's ID, storage location, disposition, and the dates for manufacturing and installation. By entering comprehensive data from the start, I ensure that maintenance and audits don't rely on guesswork later. Teamcenter makes things easy. Components with incomplete serial or lot information are highlighted with red bars, showing me exactly where to focus to keep records clean and error-free. When filling in missing serial numbers, I update the relevant fields directly in Teamcenter. If a part needs to be installed or swapped, I use the Move Part function, making sure every detail and serial number is captured right alongside the replacement. This way, every maintenance action is documented and easily referenced in the future. For components that require lot numbers, I simply create a new lot or select an existing one, ensuring any quality checks or audit trails are streamlined and straightforward. It's clear when the job is done. Red bars turn green, confirming that all key information is filled in and giving instant confidence that our records are complete and ready for review. Teamcenter Active Workspace streamlines card transfer system maintenance, enabling precise as-maintained configuration, accurate data capture, proactive scheduling, and rapid issue resolution through integrated discrepancy and corrective action management. If you're curious to learn more about our services, we offer a 30-day free trial. You can access it by clicking the free trial link in the video description or by scanning the QR code shown in the video. Give it a try and see how it works for you.